Hi everyone. Today I'm making a rice milk cold process soap. For that I have a few things here. Here we have our oils. I've taken a combination of coconut oil for this recipe. There's coconut oil, palm oil, sunflower oil, rice bran oil and a little shea butter. And here we have our rice milk, which I have made it before and I have just kept it here ready. And we have our lye water solution, which I have mixed the lye with the water and it's now cooled down, ready to use. I'll also be adding a little Cambrian blue clay. I'll be giving it a shade of white and blue, and let us see how it goes. Now we will begin with the recipe here. I'll just blend the rice milk with the oils first before we add the lye water solution. Okay, so now I have mixed the milk with the oils here. I've blended them well together. And now we will pour our lye water solution in this mixture. I'm just using a strainer so that if there is any little lye particles, they don't enter the soap directly. So I've brought this to a slight emulsion. We won't blend it further. I have put half of the batter in both these containers, and in one container I'll be putting the Cambrian blue clay, and in the other one we'll be adding the titanium dioxide to give it a white color. We'll now start blending it. That's it. Now I'll be adding my fragrance oil, and for this I have taken Ocean Breeze fragrance oil. I won't blend this further. I'll just mix it with the spoon. I'll just be pouring the mixture in this for the swirls. It's already starting to thicken. Just give it a little mix. I'll just try to do this as quick as possible. Hey everyone, so we are back today here. We've unmolded the soap, the rice milk soap that we had made yesterday, and this is how it looks after unmolding it. So let us start the cutting and see how it has turned out inside. Okay. Let's see how the swirls have come out. Okay, so this is how it looks in the inside. This is how the swirls have come out. So friends, if you want to know more about this Cambrian blue clay, you can just check it out online. It really has great properties for the skin. It's a very good skin a cleanser, purifier, and very much moisturizing as well for the skin. You can go and check out all the lovely benefits of the clay. And as you are aware that rice Rice milk is extremely good for the skin. They say it's a skin bleaching, whitening agent. So let's see how this works. So overall, this is going to be a very cleansing bar of soap that we've made especially for people with acne prone skin, so and people with a lot of tan on the skin, pigmentation. This is a very good bar of soap for you, and the recipe I have put it in the description box. So if at all anyone would like to try making the soap at home, taking all the safety precautions when you're handling the lye, please do check videos on how to handle lye before you'll start making the soap at home for yourself. So you can definitely try this out. The recipe is in the description box with all the ingredients used, and depending on the quantity, I have made a 1 kg mold soap, so my quantity is according to that. You can check out how much you want to make, and accordingly you can work out the uh, recipe proportions. It's quite a nice look. I'm really happy with the swirls, that the way it has come out, it really looks very pretty. And yesterday when we had put the Cambarian blue clay, it was looking a little greenish, olive green. But today I feel the color has changed quite a bit, and it's giving us, that little bluish green tinge, which looks extremely pretty on the soap. Okay. So this is the rice milk soap that these are my testers. Rice milk soap that we've made and cut it. You can have a look at it. And friends, if you like watching my videos with the recipes, if you really like watching them, please do like and subscribe, so that encourages me to make more videos and give share much more recipes with you all. So please do like and subscribe my channel, and please check out for my latest videos. Thank you. Bye.